Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name is Rynie Mac and welcome to part 7 of my room makeover series. If you haven't already, please check out the first part to the 6th part of my room makeover series. I'll have it linked above and in the description below. Follow me on all my social medias because this video I won't be talking. I really won't be doing much of anything. I will just be showing you how I built this. It'll just be a quick little video. I hope you guys watch it all the way to the end. If you learned anything or I helped you build, comment down below. Let me know how did it go. Let me know how yours came out and let me know if I helped you. Like this video if you like it. Like this video if you want to share it but you don't really want to share it. And share this video if you care. Subscribe down below and put your notification bells on so you'll be notified every time I'm uploading, okay? Period. If you made it this far to the end of the video, thank you so much. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below your favorite part or any part that helped you, subscribe down below, and turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time that I upload. Thank you once again for watching this video, and stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you in my next one.